G'day, I'm Eddie Springer from Springer Solar. Today I'm talking about the renewable energy target and how that interacts with LGCs. Previously I did a little video on STCs, small scale technology certificates, up to 100 kilowatt systems. LGCs are for systems above 100 kilowatts. So STCs we claim on up to 100, LGCs are for above that. LGCs are very similar to STCs in that they are a tradable commodity that you sell based on your system production and your system output. So solar system selection is really critical. STCs we trade up front, we get them as a rebate off the system price. LGCs we can trade quarterly or annually as the system produces power. So in a system above 100 kilowatts, you pay the full price of the system up front, and then you claim your LGCs back after a quarter or after 12 months based on the system performance. The solar system output is metered and measured, and that data is captured and verified, and then that is the amount of energy is generated is sold into that LGC market, and you are paid accordingly for that. Now LGC is different to STCs, whereas they carry a little bit more risk, in that the spot price now for LGCs is a certain price, but in 2 years' time, in 5 years' time, that price may change. So in an LGC market, you can choose to play in the spot market and ride the wave of LGC creation and LGC dollars, just like a variable interest rate. Or if you want a fixed price, you can get a hedged price on your STCs, you can get forwards for 5 years, and you get a fixed price over that period for the dollar value of your LGCs. Solar system quality is really important across the board, but also even more important with LGCs. Your system needs to generate a good amount of power over its life and an expected amount of power to ensure you're getting the maximum LGCs. Poor and inferior quality systems that are going to fail or not produce power in 2, 3, 5 years' time is going to mean you're missing out on those LGCs. You're missing out on your rebate for your solar system. Thanks for listening. STCs, small systems up to 100 kilowatts, LGCs larger than 100 kilowatts. Quality is important. All of these rebates are based under the renewable energy target in its current form, which tapers off down to 2030. Get your solar system now, purchase soon with good quality, and capture that point of sale discount or that ongoing rebate for the system. Thanks for your time. Cheers.